Hey YouTube, Cue Ball here. It's Wednesday evening. If I am recording this on a Wednesday, which I am, Saturday I'm going to release the brake switch video, which you probably would have already seen. I've got Bike for Life. I don't know if you'd have seen that by now. If you'd have seen all that, if not, this is a video I'm doing in the middle of the week. I don't know if you remember, I took the exhaust off the bike and done a sound test without the thing on the back, and I tried to see if I could get this thing fitted. Anyway, forget all that crap, been shopping around and I managed to find an exhaust. Should have been £120 for a brand new one. Managed to find a second hand one, Viper race exhaust, and I managed to get it for 55 quid. What a steal. You get a bracket. I'm going to show you it's only just come today. I'm not even fitted it himself, so this is first time. I don't know if you can see that. Viper can. It's got a removable baffle, so I'm going to get this fitted and see what it sounds like. So I'll tell you what, I'm not going to bore you with the how to remove it and all that sort of stuff, because I've showed you all that before. I might do. I'll come back to you in a minute. Right, then we're back here and we're going to get this removed now. Get this old quiet one off. Let's get it removed. So, anti-clockwise to get that bolt off. Easy as that. And as you notice, my immobiliser alarm's going off. Take 2 seconds. It's 12mm on that. I'm hoping this fits my rubber bracket he sent me. Should be fine. That's going off again. Right, that's off. Put the nut back on so you don't lose it. Then we need an Allen bolt to remove that, and to put the wires again. Let's crack them off. So I'm going to get this off now and I'll be back in a minute. Right, this fucking stands fine. Cue ball back. Right, I managed to bolt that on. As you can see, that there, it's not big enough for that bolt for it to go through. Luckily I've got a homemade one. So for now I'm just going to put that on, and then later on I am going to try and get that rubber to fit there. For now this is just putting it together, see what it sounds like. Good job I haven't made it work. Bracket ready. I was hoping that slip on was going to work. Let's get this bad boy on. It's just a quick video just to show you the new Viper can, and we're going to see what it sounds like. Hopefully it should give the bike a bit of more performance as well. All being well. That'll do that. So we're all happy now. All that's been put together. So I'm going to come back in a minute and we're going to get this bad boy started up. Right, on YouTube, cue ball back. Let's have a look at it first before we start it up. See what you think. Here we have a nice Viper can. Looks better than the old one. There's Miss Cue Ball in the background having a cigarette. She's hiding. Cold beer while we're here. This has got a removable baffle. I haven't removed it, so this sound test will be with the baffle in, and another later time we'll do it without the baffle. So let's see what this sounds like. What I'll do is I'll bring it in close so you can hear it better. Hopefully you can hear it better from there. Right, here we go. sound test 1. Right, I'm going to try and remove the baffle now. It's just a little Allen bolt on the end. See what happens. It's slightly blowing a bit here. I might have to get a new gasket for it. There's one baffle, if that's what it's supposed to look like. I've never seen one like that. Let's see what it sounds like without it. Let's tighten that thing back up. Little Allen bolt nut sits to it. It's straight through now, that is. Right then, let's see what it sounds like without the baffle. To be honest with you, I'm not too convinced that it sounds any better. Judge it for yourself. I'll take it out for a run, see what it sounds like. It is slightly blowing on the back end. I think the gasket needs replacing. But anyway, that's what a Viper can sound like on a Suzuki 600 RF600R. Hopefully you enjoyed that video. Catch you for the next one. Ride safe. Catch you next time.